I'm going to show you how to easily find your Apple ID password. So the first way of doing this is searching your iOS or iPhone device and typing in the word passwords, and you'll see here that it says passwords. It's the Apple Passwords app. If we tap into that there, you'll have to unlock it with your passcode or Face ID, and then you'll see the search bar there at the very bottom. Tap into search, and when you do so, go ahead and type Apple. And then you should see one come up that says Apple with your Apple ID email address. Go ahead and tap into that option there. Once you're here, you'll see your Apple ID as well as password. If you just tap on your password there, it will reveal it to you. If you haven't saved it in the Apple Passwords app, you want to open up Google Chrome. You can do this on desktop, mobile, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to select the three dots there at the very bottom of your screen to bring up the settings or options within Google Chrome. And if you scroll to the left or right, you should see one that says Password Manager. Tap into Password Manager. Once you've unlocked Password Manager, you should see a search bar at the very top. Just tap into that search bar and type the word Apple. Once you do so, you should see one that says apple.com. Tap into it, and you'll see where the user ID and password are. Tap on the password, and it should reveal it to you. If, however, neither of these options work for you, go to your Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID account at the very top there. Once you're here, you want to tap into Sign In and Security. Once you're here, you want to see an option that says security about midway down, and it says change password. Just know when you go through this process, you will have to have access to your Apple ID email address, because that's where they're going to email you the link to confirm that it is you in order for you to be able to change your password. Hopefully that helped. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.